Hey guys, so it is Sunday. We're getting ready to run a few errands. I know the first place we're going to is a container store to get some, what do you call it, shoe containers, like to take our shoes, put them in the closet. So it's gonna be my mom and Ashley and I, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these errands. Getting some containers. Got some shoe boxes. You said get comfortable?
She said, are they comfortable? Yeah, get my shoes in there.
Girl, go.
All these baskets.
Ain't these the ones? Oh, these are the soft ones.
Right? The soft.
The right here.
Like these.
These.
You have a shirt? Or you want to order from Amazon? Okay, well, you can order from Amazon. 50 pack. Okay.
They're gonna bend the broke. In container store. Getting shoe boxes and hangers and stuff. How do we get to the furniture shopping, y'all? This is cute, but it's pink. Oh, the bench is cute. I remember I was looking at a table like this at Z Gallery, I think. Yeah.
More
solid.
And luxury.
Yeah. A bed. Oh, that green sofa is cute too.
That's my other one.
This store is giving me
Also, they had this where you could sit down and I don't know if they like it, but it ain't.
It's
like this.
Yeah.
Because you got to put your comforter down.
Yeah.
That one I like. Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah, that one is nice. They don't have no tags on it.
No, I don't think it's that much. I bet it ain't. $11.99.
Oh, that's how much it costs?
I don't know. I said this is $11.99.
What are people that work here?
I'm doing that for it out. You know, like I love that. Kaylan does have
It's in storage. We are back again at Benihana. Make California rolls to start. I don't like the cucumbers, so I just poke those out before I eat them. Oh, thank you.
Can I get the spicy sauce?
All done. Wow, you have a lot of food. Good morning, guys. So today I have a few errands to run, like always. So I'm getting ready to go to get my lashes done, and then afterwards I'm going to meet one of my friends for brunch. I have not gotten my nails done because like I was wearing those press-ons which lasted so long. Even when I took them off, it was forever to take them off. So like I have a new respect for press-on nails. So I've just been trying to like let my natural nails strengthen a little bit before I go back to get acrylics again, or if I put another set of press-ons on. So right now though, I am getting gas before, because I know that I have a little ways to travel for my appointments, and they're gonna be back to back, so I ain't gonna have time to do that. I'm hoping though that I can get finished with my lashes not quick, but it doesn't take the full hour, so that I can go to the car wash afterwards, because my car is filthy. Not the inside, on the outside. Nobody's been in here. So yeah. Oh, my gas just stopped, so let's do this. Okay, so I just made it to my lash appointment. I'm a few minutes early, so you know, you can't go in there too early, so I'm just waiting for about 5 minutes, and then maybe like, yeah, 5 minutes, and then I walk in. So we'll see. Hoping I have enough time to do everything before I go to meet my friend, because I have a few things that I need to get done today. So we're gonna be on a little roll today. Oh, whew, I almost left the mask, but I'm glad I always keep an extra one in the car just in case, because sometimes, and I don't like the like ones that you can reuse. Well, I like them, but I prefer the disposable ones because I found that they don't like break me out or irritate me. So I always keep disposable ones in the car, and of course the cloth ones that you can reuse I throw in the washer. But it's just still something about them that just, it just don't do me good. So I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes before we go in. Okay, got my lashes filled, and she actually finished a few minutes early, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna run to get my car washed first, and then we gonna go eat because I'm starving. Okay, so I didn't feel like going to the car wash, so I just came and switched to the truck because I didn't really want to go to the car wash. And plus since I got over here earlier and got finished earlier, I just told my friend like we could go now instead of like waiting for 30 minutes, you know. So I'm on my way to meet her, and then I'm gonna go to the mall with my mom because I actually bought this really cute baby outfit for the baby, but it's a winter outfit, like it's long sleeve, and she won't be able to wear it because it's 0 to 3 months, so it's gotta go back. Got brunch. I got French toast. I don't even know what this is. A lemon something mule, but it's non-alcoholic. And what you got? An omelet, asparagus, and potato wedges, and a mimosa. I can't drink. New Bottega. These are cute. I don't like these. I want to go look at those too. Are these new? These slides?
No, I think they have bigger, but we ought to try one on. But I think these the smallest. Oh no, these may be new. Yeah.
Are they new?
Those are done
You got another one that's coming. We can see if we can.
Okay. I wanted to go look at the Dior right quick.
This like the white. What size is this?
This is 38.
You see how they got a little
I
comfort
need
to
a
them?
39. That is cute.
This
I
is
like
really
those.
cute. And they comfortable too.
That's the thing.
The other ones weren't comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
I
the
really
thing.
like these.
Let me see if I have a 9 in that one.
Okay.
Mine's gonna get on.
I know. Want to try? Oh, you finna try. Okay, I want to try this one too.
I'm gonna be like mama today.
And did?
I can't get out.
Oh, this is kind of cute.
They look like something to wear out. Okay, this might work for me.
Yeah, it's kind of big. It's like the medium small. This is the new. I like the way the 8 fit though. You want to try this one? I really like this in the blue too.
Huh?
Yes, I really like this one in the blue.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the Dior. I kind of like this color as well. But I already have a pair of these. But the different colors are cute. But I really want to look at these sneakers. These are cute. And the black. But I don't really like black sneakers, so. These. I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna try these. The what?
I like that better than the Louis Vuitton.
Which one? You like which one?
These,
You like them?
I do. I had to go to club with people.
My mom likes this.
I love
Shit.
the pearl. It's so girly. Look at the pink.
What exactly did you think the shoe was gonna do? You thought you was gonna give it to him.
She thought it was. She did.
Okay. This is the pink one. She likes better than the Louis Vuitton that I got for the reveal. Which one is this?
That's the hot
You
chip.
did like that.
That's the hot chip. That's the new one.
What's the heel height on this one? 120?
No, that's a 100.
Oh.
It's like a one. That pink is, I like that.
This is cute.
That's going to be the one that's going to replace the big apple, you know, because everybody loves that.
That's the 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also the scallop.
Look.
Yeah, the scallop.
Give you that little extra pizzazz. Now that's a shoe I would wear.
It's cute.
It's called Shiny and
It just looks
Give
like
me
Easter. Yes.
Easter, oh, my Sunday school church vibe.
I mean, it's cute. It's just, I don't know if you can, what you would be wearing it with.
Nothing.
This one is my favorite.
Yeah, that's what I would go. This one is my favorite. You got like 39 and something.
Some of them. I actually really like it. And it's very comfortable.
Yeah, that's cute. What all colors that?
It comes in a black, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cute.
For some reason, I usually like, I'll say the black, but that one, the white just
The
has
white
a little
just-
bit more
yeah.
pop to it. Yeah.
I agree.
It's because the black that has those white shoestrings.
Yeah, that might be it, because that white really, something about it, because that white pops better than that black.
Yeah, I think I like that one.
This is the one.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
I love a white shoe.
Bottom shoe.
I can't get it on. Oh my god, how cute is this? I actually really like this.
Yeah, they look like the other ones you got reviewed.
The new pair.
Yeah.
These just feel different. I guess because the step in it is like down a little bit. It's not flat.
Oh.
That one got a little puff to it.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. It was a rather short one. I have been extremely busy with tax prep and doing things of that sort, so I really haven't had much time to do other stuff. So yeah, it felt good to just get out the house, you know, a little bit and take a break from looking at the computer screen and, you know, reconciling and balancing and stuff. So that is gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.